All right, so next up, I would like to talk about a new sewing machine that has been released by Singer, and it actually looks kind of cool. I think they're trying to target Gen Z. So we're going to take a look at this new machine, and I want to get your thoughts on who the target market is for, because in my opinion, it seems like they're trying to get like kind of a younger customer with this. So this is the Singer Prisma heavy duty machine. And they already have a few different heavy duty machines. They're like gray, they got like numbers. It's like the, the 3310 or whatever, or the like 1123. I like the name of this. So I actually, first glance, I'm kind of interested in trying this one out. I've been sort of intrigued to try out and test the Singer heavy duty machine, because you hear a lot of people saying that the new Singers are crap, they're garbage. But then I look at the Singer heavy duty machines and they've got pretty good reviews on like Amazon. So I've been kind of curious about this particular line. I wasn't a huge fan of like the gray color, the gray and red. But when I saw this sort of appeals to me. I sort of like, it's got like this, it's white. It's got kind of a boxy shape, but it looks very basic. I don't mind. And it's got sort of a rainbow checked decoration on the like the bed of the machine. I actually think that looks sort of cool. This, like, what do you guys think? Is this for, and let's do a poll. All right, we're going to do a poll about whether or not you think this machine is intended for a Gen Z customer. So let's do that, because I think it is, but I want to know what you think. Okay. Is Singer targeting the Gen Z consumer with the Prisma heavy duty sewing machine? Okay. So let's see what you guys think. I think they are. This seems like, I feel like this machine would appeal to someone younger. It's pretty affordable. It says heavy duty. A lot of Gen Zers are into upcycling clothing or working on different projects. So all right, let's vote now. Is Singer targeting the Gen Z consumer with the Prisma heavy duty sewing machine? And let's take a look at the features. I think the price is pretty affordable. And I'm wondering, I wasn't able to find it on other websites, but I imagine it will probably be available on Amazon. If this is under $200, I think this would be a good machine to try. The Singer Prisma heavy duty sewing machine combines trendy, bold styling, that's the Gen Z buzzwords, with strong piercing power for endless inspiration and creative expression. Now, this machine does have 25-year warranty coverage on certain aspects, not all of it, but I believe on like the metal frame, which is nice. It's got $60 of included accessories, 50% more power, 69 stitch applications, extra high sewing speed, quick sewing guides, and 6.25 inch sewing space, and a 4.25 inch height. I think this is a pretty good basic sewing machine, and it's not computerized, so it's, again, might not have some of the issues that comes with that. I think this actually looks like a cool machine. And look what it comes with. It comes with 4 different feet. It comes with an edge quilting guide. It comes with needles, bobbins, spool caps. So a lot of stuff to get started. I think this is a cool, like, I'm kind of tempted to buy this to try out for the sewing report. I really am. Especially if I could find it for like, if I can find it for like $160, $170, I would be sold to try this out. And to see for myself, what's the current quality of Singer sewing machines? Like, is it going to be okay? So here's the video. This, to me, looks very Gen Z AF. Let's take a look at this. Like, tell me this is not Gen Z. Like, they got the fanny pack, they got some colorful clothing, psychedelic colors. Yeah, this is Gen Z all the way. A machine as original as you are. Exactly. All right, so here is more photos of it. I mean, I think this looks cool. I think, does this have a free arm? I think it looks like it has a free arm on it. I mean, I think this looks like a kind of a nice starter sewing machine. if it works well. Like, that's the question. Does it work well? I mean, I like the colors. I kind of like that it's, you know, kind of like simple. I like the design. I actually think this machine looks appealing to me. And it looks simple. Yeah, again, let's see here. Does it have a one-step buttonhole? I think it does. Let's see here. Let's take a look at I'm trying to find a close-up of the dials here. I think this looks nice, and it does. I think that's a free arm. I'm pretty sure. Let's see here. Can I zoom in? But yeah, I think it's got the one-step buttonhole. Pretty sure. 11 essential stitches, adjustable stitch width. I mean, that's cool. I think this looks like a cool little machine, especially for like the beginner sewist. I mean, yeah, I think this is kind of nice. What do we all think? I actually think this looks like, I think it's a well-positioned machine. I think the price is right. If it works well, I do think this looks pretty promising for like the beginner sewist. But yeah, I do think it's definitely, this seems very Gen Z to me, in my opinion. So yeah, I don't know. I think this looks interesting. If I can find this at a good price, I'll probably buy this for the channel. Okay, oh, here we go. Here's more info. And it says it sews jeans. Okay, it says it can do heavy duty stuff. Yeah, buttonholes, inserting zippers. This looks like a good basic machine if it works well. So, I don't know. What do we think? What do we think here? How cute. Definitely younger audience, but I do love it. Yeah, I think the colors are fun. And also, let's be real, Gen Z loves Instagram. So this would be a very Instagram-worthy machine. You know, you could post pictures, videos, stuff like that. As a bona fide Gen Xer, takes me back to the 80s Vans. Yeah, you kind of feel, it's like got kind of a nostalgic appeal to it. Like, I like the colors. I like the colors. Yeah, so a lot of people say it reminds you of Vans from the early 2000s. I would totally agree. Yeah, definitely Vans. Was this the speed motor? Let's check out the, all right, we'll check it out, Denise. Yeah, oh my, this is the 80s for the second time around. I think this looks like a cool little machine, you know, for like, you know, someone who wants to get into sewing. Okay, sew at speeds up to 1,000 stitches per minute. That's really fast. Let me see if I can find info on the motor. Let's see here. Where are the, okay. Full metal frame, that's nice. It's got the drop feed, so you can do free motion stuff. Okay, thread painting? All right. This looks like it's got a nice, okay, it's got the 4-step buttonhole. Okay, so it's not 1 step, but it does have a 4-step buttonhole. I mean, that's respectable. Yeah, I might get this to do some tutorials. I want to get more Gen Z viewers. I want younger, like, that's part of the reason why I do the channel, is because I want younger people to try out sewing. Okay, so here's, I don't know, I'm not real technical. 0.7 amps, 84 watts, 120 volts. Okay, not really sure about the motor. Okay, machine documents, let's see. All right, that's not super helpful. And here's the warranty info. I mean, the warranty's not bad. Like, for this price, it's not bad. So it's got, let's see, where is the, so basically, I think it typically means that, like, I think like the electronics are covered for like 1 year, other stuff's covered for 5 years, and then like the basic frame is covered for like 25 years. So the 25-year warranty, it is kind of limited, but I'm surprised it comes, I mean, for it to come on a machine that's like $200, I'm not gonna, you know, I wouldn't complain about that. Yeah, here we go. So let's share this tab. So this is the Singer warranty info. So yeah, so it's like, so the 25-year warranty is for the product frame. 2-year warranty on electrical parts. 90-day warranty on mechanical parts and adjustments. So, I mean, I think that's fair. I wouldn't, you know, I wouldn't be too picky on a machine that's like $200. So, I don't know. I think it looks cool. All right, so far, 87% of you think that Singer is trying to target the Gen Z consumer. All right, my husband's coming out to... Yes, it is getting cooler in here, so it's... I don't think it's 84 degrees in here anymore. Thank goodness. So yeah, let me know what you think about the Singer Prisma. I like... And by the way, I like the name. I actually think the name of this sewing machine is like kind of cool. Like, I'm like, okay, the Singer Prisma. It's easy to remember. It's not cringe. It's way better than the Brothers Skitch. Like, the Brothers Skitch name, I'm sorry. I'm just not there. So, I actually think Singer, I really kind of want to try out this machine. That might be like, I know I still haven't opened up my Ditto sewing pattern projector, which I still need to do. But I am very tempted to pick up this, I'll have to sell my Brother CS7000i, or here's the thing, I'm going to need to start like selling some of my machines because I have too many. But I'm really curious to try out the Singer Prisma and test it out. And I've never purchased a modern Singer machine. So that would be like my test. Like, are they as bad as people say? Or are they like... I feel like Singer has been kind of gotten a bad rap with the new machines. And I want to know for myself, are the new Singer machines worth trying out? Or are they... Like, I've had a lot of people say they're garbage, and I don't know. And by the way, none of this stuff here is sponsored. I do not do sewing machine sponsorships. I don't really accept free stuff from them. So I pay for everything I review so that you know for sure that these reviews are legit. So if I do this, I would be paying for it myself. The Singer would have absolutely no input. So I think that might be the next machine I purchase to try out because I think it looks cool. I think it looks cool. And I imagine they probably sell a walking foot add-on that I can get because you all know me. I need to get a walking foot for my machine. That is for sure. But yeah, I actually think this machine I think it would appeal to a lot of people and the price is not bad. So it's a fairly affordable machine that people can actually get. So, all right, let's take one more look at the Singer Prisma Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. Is it really heavy duty? I don't know. So if the price goes down, I might like wait a little bit to see if the price goes down a little bit more or to see if I can get it. If I can buy this at under $200, I probably just will. So yeah, and the throat space on that I think is respectable. 6, so yeah, and will it sew jeans? I don't know, we'll see. See if I can use this. I think it's cute. Like, I really do think this is kind of a cute machine. The other thing is that I have actually never purchased a non-computerized home sewing machine before. So, I mean, I have a vintage Singer. I have the Juki that's a semi-industrial. But I've actually never purchased a sewing machine of this particular type, which is a home sewing machine that is not computerized. So this would be my first time trying one out, but I think this looks pretty interesting. So I'm intrigued. This might be my next purchase. Let me know, is this something you would be interested in seeing me try out and test out? Because I'm curious. I'm really curious because I think this looks like a cool, like little entry-level machine to try out.